Monthly average rates by country, state, and city. Car insurance rates vary from driver to driver and are based on factories many factors that include driving history, claims history, and where you live. Each city in Alabama has different rates, and below you can compare average rates with the national average. According to our data, drivers who live in typically pay around $111.33 per month compared to the national average of $145.58 per month. The best way to get a low rate is by comparison shopping. Smart financial can do that for you at no cost while pairing you with a reputable insurance company so you have no surprise if you have an accident. Area average monthly rate national $145.58, Alabama $105.22, Alabama $111.33. Certain insurance will offer you better rates than others based on a myriad of factors, so you may get a better deal from one insurance over another for various reasons, and that's why it's important to compare. According to our data, Direct Auto generally has the most affordable car insurance in coming in around $70.79 per month. Other companions to consider if you live in is clear over with an average cost of $74.41 per month, and USAA, which typically runs around $105.78 per month. Check out the full list below. Smart financial rates the following insurance as the best insurance companions for drivers in Tuscaloosa. Rates can vary from city of city. The residents of Aniston typically pay $99.94 per month, while people who live in Athens will pay $98.77 per month on average. See what people pay for car insurance in other cities in Alabama. Every zip code rates different with insurance. Your zip code determines the crime rate in your areas as well as other risks. Below you can see how average rates range across the state of Alabama. If you live in area that is rated high in crime, you can make sure to garage your car in a safe place. That to save you some money, covered and gated structure are best. Make sure to tell your insurance agent about the precautions you are taking. Generally speaking, you may more in car insurance the younger you are and the older you are. Teens and young adults often pay around $273.30 per month. Compare that to drives in their $30 30s who typically pay around $100.91 per month. Drivers in their 40s at $94.55 per month. It's always a good idea to check for discounts that apply at any age. Some discounts include away at school discount, safe driver discount, mature driver discount, good student discount, as well as multi policy and building discounts. If you are teen in, you are probably looking for a good deal on car insurance since teenage drivers typically pay the highest rates of any other age group. It's important to compare multiple companions. According to our reach, Direct Auto typically charges around 118.43 per month. This is likely the most affordable option. You might also want to consider USAA and Country, who also offered good affordable policies for teen drivers. 20 years olds in might want to consider Clear Cover, who on average offers car insurance rates around $75.20 per month. Direct Auto, USAA, Safeco, and Country are also in the top 5 cheapest rates available. If you are in your 30s, in our reach has found that Direct Auto typically has the most affordable coverage, coming in around $59.82 per month, followed by USAA at $97.58 and Safeco at $108.28. On average, Direct Auto offers car insurance for 40 years old in for around $54.01 per month. If you are looking for